In this video, I'm going to show you how to count cells with number in Excel. So friends, to count cells with number, just you need to click on any empty cell. Now type formula equal sign. Now type count, open bracket. Now select cells which has the number. Now press enter. That's it. So it shows 7 cells has a number. So very easy and simple method to count cells with numbers. Just you need to type equal sign, then type count, open bracket, and select cells where you want to count numbers. Then press enter. That's it. Now we count cells from here to here. There are 6 cells which has a number. So hopefully friends, you like this video. By this quick and very simple formula, we can know how to count cells with numbers. Thanks for watching.